Okay, right. I finally finished this dress sketch. Oh no! Ugh, this is my favorite shirt.
Oopsie.
Sam, we need to talk.
Double oopsie. That's you.
Now, I'm not going to ask why there's chewing gum here, but you will tell me how you're gonna make it up.
New craft? I'll be so helpful that you'll forgive me. And I'll wash all the clothes in our house.
Agreed. And please Google how to get chewing gum off of a shirt. Guys, our craft today will prevent Sam from ruining my clothes with chewing gum. I think I can hear something. And it's coming from here? Sammy!
Eureka!
Who?
I said Eureka! My hypothesis was right.
I hope your hypothesis is related to my shirt.
It is. Chewing gum doesn't like cold, so we combine gum with frost and boom! A perfectly clean shirt.
Oh, yes, it is clean. Great job.
Actually, I know tons of ways to remove chewing gum from clothes. For example, we can use an iron, hairdryer, and tape.
That's very cool, but we agreed that you'd help me with the craft.
With great pleasure.
And wash the rest of the clothes?
Listen about washing.
Let's get back to the craft. Guys, now we'll draw the layout of a maze where Sam's chewing gum will roll. By the way, Sam, you'd better sort these clothes according to color and wash them separately. This way they won't get stained.
Yes.
And there are a couple of t-shirts with Nutella stains. You need to pre-wash them before putting them into the washing machine.
Shoo, maybe I better help you with the craft first.
I'm doing just fine. You can focus on the washing.
Washing is boring, and crafting is fun.
Sam, you can make any task fun. Guys, be careful with hot glue. Ask an adult to help you. It's the matter of creative approach. Any routine can be super mega interesting.
So even washing can be fun? Highly unlikely.
Of course it can. Sam, you're the famous creative slime. Brainstorm a little and the solution will come naturally.
Creative.
Sam, it's like you're summoning a ghost. You sound kind of creepy.
Shivery cheddars, I got it. It's so easy and genius, totally my style.
I didn't doubt ya. You've always been a very creative slime. So, we almost finished the body of our vending machine. Up? Don't you think it looks like a maze? I always dreamed about walking in a mysterious labyrinth. So exciting. Well, of course I'm happy that Sam came up with a creative washing option, but it's become suspiciously quiet again. That's weird.
Creative washing, easy peasy.
So fast? That's even more suspicious.
Nothing to suspect, it's just about being creative.
Okay. Guys, be careful while working with an awl. This is where we need to insert a piece of a pen. We've already cut it to the necessary size. So Sam, tell me, how did you deal with the dirty clothes?
I threw them away.
What?
Just kidding.
Very funny. That was sarcasm in case you didn't get it. Snap?
Come on, Sue, it was funny.
Well, I did fall for it. Anyways, don't switch the topic, Mr. Sly Slime. What happened to the clothes?
It's simple. I just put them into the freezer.
I have a guess, but I'll still ask. What for?
Well, the chewing gum got off thanks to the cold, so the other stains will also fall off.
Okay, I saw that coming. Sammy, I'll count that as washing. Now, can you help me with the craft?
At your service.
Make the wheel for our vending machine.
One moment. And the wheel is ready.
Guys, check out the cool wheel Sammy made. With its help, the chewing gum will get into our machine. Sammy, you are definitely way better at crafting.
So are you.
Hold your tongue, Mr. Creative Washing. I wash the clothes so well that afterwards they look brand new.
Are you trying to say that I'm not good enough at washing?
Not trying, but saying it clearly. Sam, you're not good enough at washing. You have to face the truth and acknowledge your imperfections.
You'll regret these words when you see my slime washing skills.
Yeah. The central part of our machine needs to be transparent. That's why we'll glue this plexiglass to the body. So, Sam, why are your incredible washing skills so special?
Whoa! All because of my cool secret life hacks. I can clean your shirt using the freezer.
And let me guess, next time you'll put all the clothes into the oven so all the stains will get hot and run away?
You can joke all you want, but you'll be shocked when you see perfectly clean clothes.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Maybe you'll even iron them?
Maybe I will. Anyways, you'll be shocked.
Guys, this trick is called manipulating slime perfectionism. Sounds smart, right? I came up with it myself. You just have to tell Sammy that he's not perfect at something and done. You can see the result. How else could I make Sam wash our clothes? And our machine will work with the help of this wheel. We'll attach the wheel to the base of our craft, and we'll also need a smaller wheel like this.
Perfect! Perfectly clean clothes!
Wow, Sammy, you're just,
Yes, I'm awesome. We all know this. Let's do some crafting now. The clothes are washed, and I also helped with the craft. I guess someone here is just awesome!
I wonder who that is.
Trying to manipulate slime perfectionism again.
What? How did you know?
It's too easy. I use the famous slime deduction technique.
Wow, I didn't know that existed. Tell me more.
Did you think I'll put all my cards on the table just like this? Ooh, that's very naive.
Guys, give a thumbs up if you want to know about slime deduction. The more likes we get, the faster he tells us. Right, Sammy? There you go.
You know, I think I'll tell you about slime deduction right now.
Wow, Sammy, that makes me happy, but why all of a sudden?
You pardon me for the chewing gum on your shirt.
Oh, I forgot it long ago. Come on, tell me about your slime deduction. I love to learn new things. It's my inspiration to create new, unusual outfits. And here we'll put the chewing gum.
So the first rule of slime deduction is to pay attention to details.
Wow, just like in fashion. Details create the right look and give the outfit a certain vibe. What kind of details helped you to reveal my small manipulation?
Small, you say? I washed, ironed, and folded a ton of clothes.
And now we'll make a cool chute for the gum. Just like a water slide. Sammy, tell me more about your deduction? I'm so curious.
Well, first, speech is very important, especially certain words. For example, you said good many times.
So what, it's just a word. What could that mean?
It means that in this way you tried to call to my inner perfectionist.
Huh, interesting. Go on.
Second, you used the trick of enhancing.
Enhancing? I've never heard of that before. Explain, please. I'm puzzled.
When I started to prove that I'd washed the clothes, you said maybe you'll even iron them. You said it on purpose so I would iron the clothes in addition to washing.
Wow, you're observant.
Observation is the key skill of slime deduction, but there is also point 3.
Oh, I'm all ears.
It's gesture language.
Wow, explain.
When you told me that I'm not good enough at washing, you moved your elbow to the side and looked at the upper right corner. It means that you didn't think so, but said it on purpose to make me want to prove the opposite.
Oh, that's impressive.
See? Slime deduction is the best way to reveal manipulations.
Now I'll use it as well. Thanks, Sammy. So, Sammy, now you can enjoy chewing gum and my clothes will be safe.
But Joe, you said that you forgot about it. Moreover, I washed everything.
Just kidding, you did great. You washed all the clothes perfectly and helped with the craft. Guys, just check out how fun it is to help the chewing gum find the way out from our labyrinth.
I bet you won't believe me when I say that I can chew all this gum. I can do it easily.
Oh no, Sam, that doesn't work. Now I know the trick and can see all your manipulations right away.
What do you mean?
First, you said, "I bet you won't," to awaken my inner perfectionist that wants to be good at everything. Second, you used the psychological trick of challenging, saying that you can chew all the gum easily. And third, at the end of the phrase, you bent right, which proves your intention to get all of the gum.
I wish I'd never taught you that. I will never tell you about my secret techniques again.
Okay. Sammy! Have your well-earned gum. Guys, give a thumbs up if you liked making this vending machine with us.
Subscribe to our channel not to miss new crafts.
Bye-bye, guys!